this is JK from Tradely platform. What I'm going to do is that I just want to show you a quick overview of the list of things you need to do in your Google Play console before we can upload the app file. Yeah. So there is a two stages here. There are a few things you can do before even we provide the app file, and there are a few things you can do after we provide the app file. Yeah. Previously it's called APK, but we provide the AAB file. Okay. Both files are accepted by Google Play Console. Uh, so what you need to do is that just do whatever the name you want to give. For example, let's say I do lovely closet, and then I just select app, and it's going to be free, and I need to accept this both laws, policies and laws. Then after I create it, it's going to show me a new interface which Google Play console has released, which will have detailed steps on what are all the things you need to do. Things what you need to do for set up your app, it's here. And when you wanted to release your app, what are the things you wanted to do. And testing, let's say if you wanted to test with your friends and family or with your company staff, you can use that functionalities as well. All the things which you see here, it's available here. This is just an onboarding. Then this is signing up, which is one important thing I want to mention. I will share that as well. Then finally is the publishing your app. Okay, now when we give the app file to you, what you will try to do is that you will go to the production, yeah, production, and then you will create a new release. When you create this new release, do you see this thing, play app signing? Okay, so this signing is sort of like it's like how do I say, non okay, in App Store, whenever we would ask you to create like a different provisioning certificates to make sure to tell to Apple who owns the app and all those details. They have like different certificates, and a few things, like there are like 5 6 steps you can find it in our documentation. But for Google Play Console, it's going to be simple. Instead of we or you try to create a different signing certificates and all those things, we tell them, let Google protect your certificates. Okay, so we just click continue here, so Google will take care of this thing, so we don't need to download the app certificates and maintain it and all. Yeah, then we will give you this app file. Yeah, after you upload the file, you need to give the name and release notes, and just like publish it. So for now I don't have app file, so what I can do is that I will tell you what are the other things you need to do in your store presence. This is the main thing what you can do before even we provide the app file. So let's go to that main store listing. So the app name which we have created, when we create the name, it's already there. A short description and the full description, and try to write a catchy short description and a full description. And full description, try to have do some planning on what sort of keywords people will search in Play Store before reaching to your app. Do some keyword analysis and use those keywords to write a proper description so you can get some organic install as well. Then you need a app icon. This is the app icon which will be visible in the Play Store when somebody search it. Yeah, the small icon, the rectangular with the curve. Then featured graphic. The featured graphic is, for example, Tradely platform Android app. So let's see what it, I don't think it will show the featured in the web interface. It will show only in the mobile interface. So there will be like a featured image, which is in like a rectangle size, and then this is all like a featured graphics as well, like the other graphics which you will put it here, the phone screenshots. You can use it as a phone screenshot, or you can even like design different thing and put it into the like some companies, what they do is they will have like a, instead of putting like the app screenshot, they will have like a different promotional how this app works, or what are the benefits it has. Yeah, so it's up to you how you want to do that, but you need to maintain the aspect ratio what they have given. Yeah, so the mandatory thing are app icon, future graphic, phone screenshots, and then the other things are after you finish the main store listing, you can go to the store settings, and you can as usual, it's app, this is the main category, and the subcategories, it's all called as tags. You can select those as well. I think they allow more than five. So just select until to the restriction they have. It's still a benefit for you. Then after that, all these previous informations are public informations. You can put your support email, the phone number if you have, and then the website link as well. I do recommend you put that because you can still get a backlink. Then these things is up to you. Then after that you save. So once you finish these things, then there is something called content ratings, which I am trying to find. Just give me a minute because this is a new interface. So they will ask, just a minute. Yeah, actually, like whenever you're stuck, yeah, whenever you're stuck, you can like always like come here. For example, just now we were filling our your store listings and all those things. Yeah, if you see here, then what are the other things we have? We can also like target audience, which is the category I mentioned. Then here is the content rating. This content rating is the main thing. Okay, so this is gonna ask you like a different information about like how you gonna use this app, or like how your customer is gonna use this app. Yeah, so they're gonna understand this information, and then they will issue a certificate I'll show you what's the name of that. It's called IARC, where they will provide, okay, this app is like can be used for people younger than, or like younger or like older than 13 or 18 and those kind of things. Yeah, this is just for like a content filtration purpose. So yeah, that's it. So just to summarize, create an app, do the main store, fill the main store listing here. It's under the store presence. Content rating, just go to the dashboard and then we'll do this content rating. And the final thing is that the store settings. Yeah, then once you do these things, we'll be able to add the app file. After we add the app file, what you can do is that you can just go to the production, create a release. Also you can select the countries which I mentioned before. Create a release. Wait, I don't know why it doesn't show. It should show the release button. I don't know why it doesn't shows here, but it should show for you. So create a new release, put the name, and then every time also when you get an update as well, just tell like what all the new functionalities has been added in the app. I think it's straightforward. You will do it. That's it. If there is any doubts, messages on the Slack or the forum. Thank you.